Hi, welcome to the Stain Guru channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your Mulberry handbag. Before we get started, make sure you hit subscribe so that you don't miss out on any other stain removal and cleaning tips that I have. So what you're going to need today is 2 microfiber cloths. One of them needs to be damp. I would use white microfiber cloths just because you then don't risk having the colour transfer onto your handbag. And then you need leather cream cleaner. This is premium leather cream, which I will link below. But if you can't find it or it's sold out, then just look for leather cream for premium leather that's suitable for cleaning handbags. Okay, so what we're going to do first, as you can see, the front of my handbag's in pretty good nick, but the back, I tend to get quite a lot of transfer from my jeans. So what I'm going to do with the damp microfiber cloth is I'm just going to very lightly rub the handbag all over, just so that you're getting rid of any initial ink that's transferred onto the handbag. Now, as my handbag's quite light, you can see that it's showing up, the water's going onto the handbag. But don't worry about that. And if your handbag is dark, you may not be able to see the ink as well, but it's good to still wipe initially the whole handbag with a damp microfiber cloth. As you can probably see, that's the dirt that's already come off my handbag. So make sure you give it a good rub all over. Right, so as you can see, the water is slowly drying. It looks pretty wet there, but it's honestly, not that wet. The cloth was damp, not wet, so make sure it is damp because you don't want to drench your handbag. So don't worry if it's not completely dry yet, as long as it's not drenched. We're now going to move on to the second step, which is using the leather cream. So get your second clean, dry microfiber cloth and put some of the cream cleaner onto the cloth. About that much. And what you're going to do is simply wipe the whole handbag. Now, avoid any sort of metal or zips, but anything that's leather, you're going to just give it a good wipe. And what this is going to do is it's not only going to clean and lift any dirt that's been left over, it's also going to protect the leather from any dirt within reason. Now I'm going to work on the back area. So again, get some more cream, put it onto your microfiber cloth, give it a rub, and just really rub the area. As you can see, there's quite a lot of dirt coming from the back, so that's good because it shows that it's lifting the problem areas where I had the most dirt. So I'm going to give this a once over again, and then I'm just going to let it sit and wait for it to fully dry, and then I'll show you the finished product. Okay, so I've let the handbag dry, and as you can see, it's looking lovely and new. The dirt has gone from the handbag. So very happy with that. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any other videos. Please give this video a like if you've enjoyed it, and feel free to comment on the video. Thanks.